and learn with Jolene. Hello there, let's play and learn with this pizza. Look at it. We also have some toppings. Ooh, these look very colorful. We have got olive. And what color is it? It's the color black. And we've got some broccoli. And what color is it? It's the color green. It's super healthy. Now for this. Look at the pepperoni. What color is it? It's the color red. Now for the last one is we've got mushrooms. What color are the mushrooms? They are the color brown. Let's make the pizza. First we need to start with some tomato sauce here. Ooh, let's put it on. That's enough of that. And also we need some cheese here. What color is the cheese? It is yellow. Done. That's enough of the cheese now. Should we put on some toppings? Yes? Let's do it. So what should we start with? Let's start with the olives. Let's take one and press it on. There. Yeah. There you go. See? It sticks. Now let's do another one. In this corner. And over there and over there. Oh, that's finished. Now let's do some broccoli. Do you remember what color were they? They're the color green. Let's put one there. The olive here. Yeah, maybe on this slice. That's lonely. There it goes. There. And we need to move this olive a little bit. Put the broccoli there. Ooh, this pizza looks awesome. Just wait until we put on 2 more ingredients. Now we're gonna put in some mushrooms, and they are brown. Let's put one next to the broccoli. There, down there. Next to the broccoli, and here. Last one goes here. Done. Time for the last one. It is pepperoni. Very yummy one. Let's place them all over. Let's clear that bit. Do you remember what color are the pepperonis? Yeah? It's the color red. Now we just need to move a little bit more. Let's put that on. Now for our last pepperoni. Where should we put it? Let's move that a little bit. And I might put it there. There you go. Look, we have finished our pizza. It looks very yummy and delicious. Ooh, I want to eat this. Okay. Do you want to cut up a slice with this? This pizza is almost ready to eat. First, we need to put it in the oven. Bye. I'm going to go to the oven and then put the pizza in for 10 minutes. Bye. Oh, be careful. It's hot. It's hot. It's ready. It's ready. Has been 10 minutes. Ooh, this pizza looks delicious, but it's very hot. Whee! Now let's wait a bit for it to cool. And now we can cut it with this guy. Which slice do you want? I think I'm gonna go with this one. Gonna cut it. There you go. And the other one. There we go. And now we've got our pizza. Let's use this to pick it up. Yeah. Oopsie. I'll cut it with this pen. Ooh, and now it's ready. It's very hot though. Hot, 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 hot. Do you wanna guys eat it? Yummy! Eat it. Yum, yum, yum. Let me eat it. Very yummy pizza. This pizza is delicious. Let's invite some of our friends. Wonder Woman, Supergirl, come on, let's eat some delicious pizza. Ooh, pizza, very yummy. Oh, hi there, Wonder Woman. Oh, hi there, Supergirl. Oh, hi there. Is this pizza for us? Yeah, do you want to eat it? It's super duper delicious. Ooh, did you make it? Yeah. I am so excited to eat it.
How many slices I can eat? Whoa, whoa. I love pizza.
Pretty much like.
Can I eat everything?
Yes, but
Please.
yes, but save some for Supergirl.
Okay.
Cause I love pizza also. But we need to cut it out open first. Okay, you guys sit down. And I'm gonna cut some pieces for Wonder Woman and Supergirl. We've already got one piece here. Let's cut another one. Yeah. Who wants this piece of pizza? It looks delicious. Me. Okay, here you go. I think I might want to have a little bit more tomato sauce. Okay, I'll put on some for you. Let me eat it. Yum, 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 yum. This is so delicious. And this slice is going to be for Wonder Woman. Here you go. Yum, 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 yum.
Stop it, it's too much.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum,
I
yum,
like
yum.
it.
You're sleeping on it. Eat it. How about you, Supergirl? Do you want to do it? Okay. Yum, 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 yum. They're eating so crazily. Bye-bye, guys. We have to eat the rest of our pizza now. And I hope you liked this video. And Supergirl and Wonder Woman, thank you for coming and being visitors to eat all of our pizza. Don't forget to subscribe and like down below. And also don't forget to press the notification button. Bye! Thank you for watching.